Guys, so I bought some corner lights and I bought some bumper signals right here, and the corner lights were $39.99, and for an additional $5 for 45 something they included these, so I ended up just getting the one for $45 with these instead of just buying these only for 40. So it seemed like a good deal, so I'm gonna switch these out. And the main reason, I mean, like, if you look at the car looks pretty bad, but the main reason why I would just want to get these over with and buy these now, it's because, knowing my luck, having these exposed bulbs and all that, this is the ticket right here. So you can't have broken lights and stuff, especially brake lights and tail lights. So, and somebody just decided to put their tire right there. Great. But yeah, so gonna swap them in and let's see how they look. So here they are. These are just basic DEPO brand, and those are those lights right there. That's gonna fit right there. Let's see how that looks. If I don't like them, I'll just put his old ambers back on. I kind of like both, but the DC, I actually prefer that Euro look, so I threw them on the DC, but I don't know how they look on this one. I know the 91s come with clears, but that's just an overall different look, and those are gonna go right there, so we'll see how that looks. So I only have a little shorty, so I'm gonna try to make do with this. And swapping lights like this is just so easy. That's why it's great. You know, with cars, if you lose a headlight, because, you know, they're all one piece, if you lose a headlight, you got to disassemble the whole front end. And a lot of times, and I've actually been in this situation where a long time ago, a customer will come in and they'll need a little DRL, daytime running light, to be swapped, and everything will have to be taken apart because there's no axis behind. So you literally have to take off everything, the front end. But these, how long did that take? All right, so I'm gonna take this and put that there, and let's install the new one. So how all these lights work, it's basically just this little one right here. It goes right into that little socket, and this flat one, it goes right into here. So just goes in and slides just like that, and then this little tab for this little screw hole right there, right here on the bucket, the headlight bucket. All right, let me try and fit this. Literally 5 seconds later, that's it. Whole lot better. So now let me put this screw in and put the other one, then we'll put the bottom ones in to match. All right, so that's old versus new right there. This one has a brand new tab right there, and this one, it was actually broke and he had re-drilled it, and the screw was missing on top of it. And these include new bulbs, so that's kind of cool, because on that side he had amber, but on this side he had the clear. And you could see that they were amber at one time, so I'm gonna add fresh bulbs to it. So there is that light right there. All right, so it's pretty good. So now I'm gonna throw on this one. I'm first gonna get a before and after in the video, and we'll see how it looks. So you guys could actually vote on that. We'll see how it looks. All right, guys, so there's a car right there, the new lights. So like the corner lights are gonna be there permanently. I'm not gonna switch them out, but let me know what you think is better, the ambers as far as the signals, or I'm gonna put on the clears. So we'll see how it looks. All right, so what's actually really cool is that they offer bulbs, which these are probably broke already, but these are like $10. And because bulbs, I don't know why they're so expensive nowadays. And the screws, so this one's probably using like a wooden screw or something, and that light is already kind of busted, but these actually have the legitimate screws and they're all included in the kit, so that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna swap these out. Let's see how they look. All right, so that's his old light right there, and actually he didn't have a wood screw. He actually had the real screw that goes in there. So I'm gonna swap this out with an amber and throw this one. All right, so I'm honestly digging the ambers more, but then again, I think it's just the primer that's throwing it off. If it was actually green, or no, the blue bumper painted and hood and fender, it would look nice. But I'm gonna give it a week, and if not, I'm just gonna throw his lights back on. But it's definitely an improvement with the corner lights. Let's see. Right there, that's not too bad. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And more little improvements here and there. Next one's gonna be cleaning up the filthy engine bay and vacuuming the back and cleaning everything up. And there's still some personal items of his that I want to get out the car to save them, but definitely just want to start cleaning this thing up more and more. But yeah, so alright guys, I'll see ya.